STOP scrolling, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is finally here. And trust me, Apple just broke the rules of what a smartphone can be. But the question is it really worth your money? Or is it just another shiny Apple upgrade? Let's find out in style. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max, Apple's most powerful, most hyped, and most expensive iPhone yet. I'll be showing you everything: the new titanium design, that crazy 5x zoom camera, a 17 Pro chip, gaming performance, and of course, if it's actually worth upgrading. First things first, the design. Apple ditched stainless steel and went full titanium. The result? It's lighter, stronger, and way more premium in your hand. Honestly, the weight difference is shocking. You'll notice it immediately if you've ever used an older Pro Max. The Super Retina XDR display is still gorgeous. Buttery smooth 120Hz ProMotion, peak brightness for outdoors, and those slim bezels that make the screen look like it's spilling off the edges. Watching movies or playing games on this is. And speaking of games, the A17 Pro chip is a beast. It's built on 3nm technology, meaning crazy speed and efficiency. Apple even claims you can play console-level games like Resident Evil Village. And yes, I tried it, and wow, it's insanely smooth. Now, let's talk cameras, because this is where things get interesting. The Pro Max gets an exclusive 5x telephoto zoom lens. That means you can zoom in on faraway objects without losing detail. Honestly, it's like carrying binoculars in your pocket, but way cooler. Battery life, solid as always, easily lasts a full day even with heavy use. But here's the big change: say goodbye to Lightning. Hello USB-C. Finally, we can charge all our gadgets with one cable. But wait, only the Pro models support USB 3 speeds for faster transfers. Sneaky Apple, sneaky. So here's the million-dollar question: should you upgrade? If you're coming from an iPhone 14 Pro Max, honestly, no. The differences are nice, but not life-changing. But if you have an iPhone 13, 12, or older, this phone is going to feel like a massive leap forward in design, speed, and especially the camera. So there you have it, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Lighter, faster, zoomier, and yes, more expensive. What do you think? Is Apple winning you over again? Or are you waiting for the iPhone 16? Drop your thoughts below. And don't forget, smash that like button like it's your old charging cable. Hit subscribe for more epic tech reviews. And I'll see you in the next one. Keep your energy high, use humor with props like cables, weights, or gaming gear, and cut in fast-paced B-roll of the iPhone for a cinematic feel.